Hello and welcome. In this video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Excel to create a simple to-do list. You'll learn how to add checkbox and automatically highlight completed tasks to make your list more organized and easier to read. Let's get started. First, select all the cells where you want to insert a checkbox. Then, go to the Insert tab and click on Checkbox. Now, you've successfully added a checkbox. Next, let's create a remarks column to show whether the task is completed or still in progress. Click on a cell, type equals, then click the checkbox you inserted earlier and type ×1. This will give you a result of 0, which means the checkbox is unticked or false. Double-click the corner of the cell to apply the same formula to all the other checkboxes. Now, when you tick a checkbox, the result changes to 1, indicating it's true or completed. Select all the result cells. Right-click and choose Format Cells. Then, choose Custom. Type. Opening quotation. Yes, completed. Closing quotation. Semicolon. Semicolon. Opening quotation. In progress. Closing quotation. Now, when you tick the checkbox, it will display yes, completed. When it's not ticked, it will show in progress. To make it even easier to read, let's add color to highlight completed tasks. Select all the remarks. Go to the Home tab. Click on Conditional Formatting, then choose Data Bars and pick any color you like. Now, whenever you tick a checkbox, the sentence yes, completed will appear with a color bar to highlight it. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment. And of course, subscribe to my channel for more helpful tips. See you in the next video.